Heavy machinery has played a pivotal role in the construction, mining, and agriculture industries for decades. These powerful machines are designed to make tough jobs easier, and their capabilities continue to evolve with technological advancements. In this video, we will explore 5 exceptional heavy machines that are truly at another level in terms of performance and satisfaction. So let's dive into the video. Hitachi Crawler Excavator. The Hitachi Crawler Excavator is a masterpiece of engineering, renowned for its reliability and efficiency. It boasts a powerful engine that can tackle even the most challenging excavation tasks with ease. Equipped with advanced hydraulic systems, it offers precise control and responsiveness, making it a go-to-choose for intricate digging and lifting operations. The spacious and ergonomic operator's cabin provides comfort and visibility. JCB Telehandler. The JCB Telehandler is a versatile heavy machine that stands out for its adaptability and multitasking capabilities. It features a telescopic boom that can extend and lift loads to impressive heights, making it an invaluable asset in the construction and agricultural industries. It comes equipped with various attachments such as buckets, forks, and hooks, allowing them to handle materials like never before. Their precise controls and stability make them ideal for working. Liebherr A311. The Liebherr A311 is a compact yet powerful wheel excavator designed for urban construction projects. Despite its relatively smaller size, it doesn't compromise on performance. Its innovative design includes a versatile adjustable undercarriage, which provides stability on various terrains. Its cabin is well equipped with modern technology and ergonomic features, ensuring the operator's comfort and productivity. This machine is known for its fuel efficiency, low emissions, and low noise levels. Liebherr A900. The Liebherr A900 is a wheel loader that combines power and precision to handle heavy materials efficiently. Its robust design includes a high lift linkage for maximum reach and load capacity. This machine is equipped with a fuel-efficient engine and advanced control systems, reducing operational costs and emissions. The operator's cabin in the Liebherr A900 offers an excellent field of vision and comfort, promoting long working hours without fatigue. Caterpillar Crawler Excavator. The Caterpillar Crawler Excavator, often simply called CAT, is an iconic heavy machine known for its ruggedness and reliability. Caterpillar has a rich history in the heavy machinery industry, and their excavators are no exception. These machines are available in various sizes from compact to colossal and are renowned for their power, stability, and durability. Caterpillar Crawler excavators excel in digging, trenching, and material handling, and they offer precise control and efficiency, even in challenging conditions. So this was today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.